Have you ever gotten like us, stuck in the summer or winter months, staring out the window, just waiting on the leaves to turn orange? Countlessly visiting your local TJ Maxx or at home, Party City, or some abandoned stores waiting to see the Spirit Halloween coming soon banner. Or maybe Halloween just ended. It's your favorite holiday and you can't get enough, like us. I'm here to tell you you're not alone. I have comprised a list for you of things you can do when you get the after or before Halloween blues. Join me in celebration of the top 5 things, in our opinion, that you can do to celebrate Halloween year-round. Number 5. Create a craft or a piece of art. When's the last time you visited your local Michael's or got an oh yeah or in the hobby craft?
Gonna get a whole year in hobbycraft.
Why, I was just in there yesterday, Mike. Shut up and go back, Karen. There are several pieces in stores like these that you can take home and create something spooky out of. Everyone loves some kind of art, whether it's doodling, painting, sculpting, candle or soap making, etc. Even if you're into music, write a scary song about a monster, a la Rob Zombie or Alice Cooper. You can even grab a pumpkin or plant one depending on the time of year and make an early Halloween jack-o'-lantern by yourself or with the kids. There are countless possibilities with arts and crafts to create something creepy any time of the year. Number 4. Go to a convention or an event. This is one of our favorite things to do. We absolutely love conventions, especially horror movie conventions, and they span all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast. You are 100% guaranteed to see several horror and Halloween themed crafts, art, and nostalgic pieces that you would never thought you would see again. You can even meet your favorite actors from your favorite movies there too. There are always convention goers who are dressed up fantastically. Cosplay has opened up a way to wear Halloween costumes year-round, and you will definitely see them at a horror convention or a convention in general. Days of the Dead in Atlanta, Georgia was our first convention, and going to our first one gave us the confidence that we could do this. Now we set up booths at several conventions and sell our arts and crafts. If you ever see us at one, stop by and say hi. Number 3. Visit a haunted location. Alright. I understand. This one can seem pretty terrifying. I still don't feel ready to do something like this, but I'm going to have to grow a pair soon. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone to experience this idea with my wife next month. Google is a huge friend here. You are bound to have some kind of haunted location, house, cemetery, location in general. Something near you is haunted, I promise you. Do your research. Several places even have haunted tours. I know when we have booked like Airbnbs and hotels and things like that on booking.com, those kind of apps, some of them have things to do in the area, and a lot of them have haunted location tours. We're fortunate enough, the last time we did a convention, which was the Smoky Mountain Terror Convention in Tennessee, to find a paranormal team by the name of SRS Paranormal, or the Southern Research Society. They were super cool, and they even invited us to investigate with them, and they have a haunted Airbnb called the Nickerson Sneed House that they invited us to come stay there. So next month in July, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm spooked, but we're gonna go stay there for 2 nights as long as everything goes according to plan. And stay tuned, because we will have video. We will document our time there. Number 2. Stay inside. Stay inside and watch a scary movie or read a scary book. Look, you don't want to go outside and be social. I was kind of an antisocial person myself, very introverted, so I completely understand. In this case, stay inside, or at least go outside enough to go to Barnes and Noble and pick a book and then go back inside to read it, you know? You're not a book reader. Well, me either. My wife is the book reader. I'm more of a movie watcher. Stay inside and watch a scary movie. There are several paid and free options to where you don't even have to go to the video store to rent a movie anymore. I'm just kidding. Those don't exist. Well, actually they do. And next week, we're going to visit one here in South Carolina. It might be the last one or one of the only ones that are left here. So stay tuned for that also. But yeah, you don't have to go to the movie theater. You can stay inside and catch a movie. There are several apps that you can visit, like Amazon Prime Video or YouTube, and they actually have free movies on there. You can buy some, but a lot of them are free. I saw several horror movies on there. I think we watched Wishmaster the other night. I believe it was on, was either on Amazon Prime or YouTube for free. And there's several other apps too. If you don't mind to pay a subscription fee, there are several options there too. Of course, you have like your normal movie apps with your cable TV subscription, but I think the only subscription app that we pay for anymore is Shudder. Shudder has been our favorite for a while as far as horror and Halloween movies and shows go. So Shudder is pretty cheap, and usually they have a free trial that you can do for like a week or whatever, however long it is, to where you can try it out and see if you like it. So we definitely recommend Shudder. We've been watching a lot of The Last Drive-In with Joe Bob Briggs and Darcy the Mail Girl, so I can recommend that show. We found a lot of movies that way that we've never seen before, or probably would never check out if it wasn't for that show, and a lot of them have turned out to be really good, or at least just a really fun time, even if it's an old cheesy B movie. It's always a good time. And you get to learn a lot about the movies too. Alright, save the best one for last, guys. You're gonna hate me for this one, but number one, subscribe to our channel. Oh god, that's kind of cringy even saying that, but I mean, you know, you gotta promote yourself somehow out there, right? If you haven't clicked off of the video yet, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm trying to help both of us out, you and me. Seriously though, we do plan on doing a lot with this channel when it comes to the horror and Halloween community. We absolutely love this community, and it's really brightened our lives up being so dark, if that makes any sense. We live and breathe this spooky atmosphere and this spooky life. We will be visiting horror movie locations, conventions, making crafts for our small business, and providing lots of Halloween and horror entertainment, with some surprises along the way, of course. It would mean so much to us if you could take the time to subscribe to this channel and follow us and watch our videos along the way. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We really appreciate it. We hope we gave you some kind of ideas on how you can keep Halloween and horror alive even before or after the holiday comes and goes. Sorry, of course, Moo Moo has to run around, present herself on video. She just had kittens. We're helping her take care of those. But we are cat people around here, or at least I am. Ain't that right, Moo Moo? Yeah. If you have any ideas on some videos that we should produce, or locations we should visit, or crafts we should make, or if we already make anything and you want us to personalize something for you, let us know. We'll make something and ship it to you, or bring it to a convention near you if we can get a booth set up and talk some business, you know what I'm saying? No, if you ever do come to a convention, please say hi to us. We love meeting you guys. And if you can't come and you're watching us, say hi to us on our videos, or follow us on our social media. Send us a message and say hi to us there. We absolutely love meeting friends of the Halloween and horror community. So that's pretty much it. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. And remember, every day is Halloween, but it's up to you to make it that way. Stay spooky, my friends. Dance, Beanie.